Introducing Enconnex's new line of basic TAA-compliant PDUs. This line of basic PDUs is made in the USA and is compliant with the Trade Agreements Act of 1979. We support the American manufacturing industry and strive to give our customers the transparency they deserve when it comes to supply chain. Designed and manufactured right here in Reno, Nevada, our TAA-compliant basic PDUs reduce lead times and protect against global supply chain disruptions by bringing manufacturing closer to where you do business. On top of that, Enconnex customers can expect easier communication, support, and services than they would working with manufacturers operating overseas. We offer 27 different standard configurations of TAA PDUs, single-phase or three-phase with the inlet and outlet plug configurations for your application. Not seeing what you need? Just let us know what you're looking for, and we'll find you a solution. These new PDUs are the perfect match for partners and resellers with government and military customers that are required to buy American. Enconnex is trusted by some of the world's largest technology companies because we deliver superb value and high-quality products. We offer products engineered to solve the data center and IT infrastructure industry's most pervasive problems. Our goal is to transform the industry one innovation at a time. Explore the benefits of our American-made TAA PDUs at Enconnex.com. We are Enconnex, born to innovate.